Very good morning, students. Hope you all are good. Students, today we are going to start our EVS chapter 10, Clean Surrounding. So let us start from the introduction. All of us need air to breathe. No one can live without breathing. We all know that plants also breathe through the leaves. Breathing in clean and fresh air keeps us healthy. Air surrounding the heap of garbage or dirty drain gets polluted and smells bad. We can fall ill if we breathe polluted air. Open drains and heap of garbage are the breeding grounds for mosquitoes and house flies also. As you can see in this picture, there is garbage all around the area. So for healthy living, our surroundings must be clean. For this, it is very important to have a proper disposal system of waste and garbage. Like in this picture, you can see right side, though there are dustbins kept over there, but the way of disposing the waste is not correct. Left side you can see the correct way of disposing the waste. Okay, same way e-waste can also be disposed in a proper way. Now see solid waste disposal like paper, plastic, glass, metal, all these things can be disposed in a proper manner, and solid waste can be categorized further in two parts: biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. And in solid waste, we can say solid waste are produced in the kitchen, offices, toilets and factories. Now see, first of all, biodegradable waste. The waste which can be broken down into simple compounds when left under the soil by the action of natural agents like air, water, insects and microorganism is called solid waste. Waste that can be destroyed naturally comes in the category of biodegradable waste. Okay, and waste like leftover food, vegetables, fruit peels, paper, dried leaves and excreta of animals are biodegradable waste. Excreta means the waste discharged by body. Okay, like in this picture you can see this waste can be converted into compost, which can be used as fertilizer for crops. Thus we can say that biodegradable waste can be recycled naturally. Now see non-biodegradable waste. The waste which cannot be broken down into simpler form by the natural agents and remain in the soil for hundreds and thousands of years is called non-biodegradable waste. Here you can see examples of non-biodegradable waste like polythene bags and plastic bags, chemicals, metal cans, etc. Non-biodegradable waste remain in soil and make it unfavorable for plants' growth. Such waste pollutes the soil. They may be accidentally consumed by animals and may cause their death due to choking. Thus, non-biodegradable waste is harmful for our environment and living organism. Now see, how can you solve the problems caused due to non-biodegradable waste? Always throw waste in dustbin, whether at home or at public places. Use separate dustbins for biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste at your home. The waste from dustbins is collected by municipality workers and disposed of in proper manner. So today only this much we have to do. Rest of the part we will do in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.